Hi, well, today I will report on two observations I did in one of my classes. This is part of an assignment I have about in the subject second language acquisition in my master program. And so I will describe uh, the process of two students I observed from one of my courses, course one at CEIC. CEIC is one of the extension programs at the School of Languages, Universidad de Antioquia. And here, students enroll for taking courses of English for general purposes. They have to study 12 courses in total, and every course lasts a trimester. I have been with these students for around 1 month and a half. Well, I decided to select two subjects from this course because I I think I could perceive more their processes as they are beginner students. They are true beginner students. And well, let me tell you a little bit about the characteristics of this class. I have around 18 students. Their ages range from 15 years old to 40, 45 years old. And we follow a test book there, which is called American Headway. And at the end of the trimester, students have to take a writing test and an oral test, and then they continue their processes. I selected two cases. The first case is Daniel. This student is in his 30s. Um, he decided to enroll in this process um, because he says that he's motivated to interact or to have communication with some friends he has outside, and also because he has traveled and he considers that communication outside is very important. So I could say that his motivation is instrumental because he wants to communicate outside when he travels, and because he has some friends. And he said that this was one of his projects, life projects, and he decided to start it this year. Regarding Daniel, I can say that I selected this case because at the very beginning he seems to be very anxious. He was kind of unconfident. He expressed he was kind of lost in class. In the first classes he couldn't follow my instructions, he didn't understand a word, and this was like his first experience learning English. And so I thought it was very interesting to analyze him, because for sure the many changes could be very noticeable. um, Regarding Luisa, Luisa is a student that seems to be very motivated. She has always been very active. She likes to write a lot. I observed once her notebook, and she's very organized. She writes the agendas I write in every class, new vocabulary, and she seems to be very motivated in the process. Actually, she's very accurate in her participations. And well, at the beginning, I thought she didn't have a lot of experience with language, and that she just was this kind of student that is very disciplined. But then, in an interview I had with them this week, she told me that she had experience learning English, and that she studied 10 courses at ITM, like part of the policy or requirement for getting graduated. So, well, regarding the Daniel process, let's talk a little bit about him. He has been a student that has made a lot of progress in this process. I've noticed that he has um, let's say his affective filter has lowered down, because at the very beginning he seemed to be very anxious, but now he has gained confidence, and actually he expressed in the interview that he feels very confident in the class, and that I as a teacher make them feel confident. So that's why his affective filter